isn't a man alive that can fly a chopper in here and survive. Anyway, I can see it from here, and I always preferred the scenic route. Hey, baby, was your daddy a pilot? You are really freaking ugly.
Yeah, I remember these things. So I did get this far.
What's that, Prince? This is what it sounds like when doves cry. Thought so.
That's a reference that older people will probably get. I will not. I know who Prince is, but does he have a song where birds fly? All I know from Prince, obviously I've probably heard of his songs. I can't think of any of his songs. Is Purple Rain a song by him? That sounds like a song that was made by him. Like, if I try to think of, like, a Prince song to sing right now, I can't. Like, with Michael Jackson, I could think of, like, fucking 15. And, like, Rick Astley, I could think of his #1, fucking Never Gonna Let You Go. So, like, older musicians, I could think of music, but I just can't think of it for Prince. And now that I'm thinking of Purple Rain, I'm just thinking of that one really old YouTube video of that one guy singing Chocolate Rain. My God, what the fuck? Chocolate Rain. Is that shit then? I don't know. Chocolate Rain? Like someone shits above you? What these things are? Like when a seagull poops on you on the beach. It's white chocolate rain at that point. Then. There's a lot of them. Jesus. I think they expected me to have most of my assault rifle ammo, but they were fools. So this is what they meant by Red Bull gives you wings.
There's enough Sam for everyone.
You know, Sam, I was really trying to make a funny joke, and then you just kind of talked over me there. That was really very rude. But I'll let it slide this time, because I kind of can't do anything. It could explode you right now. Yeah, Sam, you want to talk shit again? You want to talk shit again, Sam? I'm kidding. No, I want my health. Can I go back to get those rocket launchers? The 3 rocket launchers that I shot. Or rockets. I don't shoot the rocket launchers. I shoot the rockets. Oh, hey, it's my taco stand. Armando's Tacos and Surplus. We sell tacos. We sell... I don't know what else. What's surplus, I guess. Like, nails, brooms, necessities. We sell everything you need. Call my buddy Pablo down the street. He'll get you hooked up. I actually did know a guy named Pablo when I was younger. He was a fun kid. He was like if you want to like visualize him, or at least when I think about him, because we were little kids, like the stereotypical like chubby little Mexican boy. That's what he looked like, and that's probably why I was friends with him, because he was my only other Mexican friend I had. See, people have seen my face reveal on my channel, and then like they see me and they're like, oh, you know, white. A lot of times people don't fully realize I'm half Mexican. I want to be more like Mexican and Hispanic and more connected with my culture, because it's fucking awesome. Like, do I need more of a reason? I remember growing up and I'd go to my cousin's house and oh, the C4s. Nice. I'd go to my cousin's house and they'd be like, oh yeah, they'd like start speaking Spanish or whatever, and I'm just sitting there like, yes, queso is good. Me gusta queso. I should do a stream one day, like when I'm like in the future, where I just try and talk in Spanish. I would love to see how that would go. He's fucking crawling though, like he's like he's going much farther than he should be by the movement he's making. Oh shit. Oh. Okay. Did I place them? I don't think so.
Honey, I'm home, like a stick of dynamite.
I did. Okay.
Honey, I'm home.
Jesus Christ, Sam, do you have to blow everything up?
As a matter of fact, I do.
That's my friends, when we used to play GTA, that would be me. You have to blow everything up, man. You have to shoot the tires out of our cars all the time. Oh, it's a double barrel? Nice. I don't fully like the double barrel, but I like the damage it does. It's a good one hit, one kill. Or one shot, one kill, I should say. For most things, at least. For most things, at least. There we go. 3 fucking shots. Goddamn. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Back off, man. Yeah, I like my pump action a lot better, if I'm gonna be totally honest here. It's just too much of a reload time with the pump, or with the double barrel. What in the fuck?
Oh, poor baby. Did someone step on your anthill?
As a matter of fact, it did. Oh. Hi. You know what? I don't need to use this on you anymore. Right in the crotch. Right in the crotch. If anyone heard more. I feel like I'm killing children, these little things. I feel bad. But holding this thing's eye, who cares about that? Like, you can throw it back at them, and I think it kills enemies if I'm not wrong. Like these little scorpion things feel like little babies, and I feel bad kind of shooting them. Oh damn! Oh damn! Ooh, pills here. Oh, I'm doing so good on health. What's over there? Is that cannonballs? Cannonballs? Fuck yes. Useless secret area found. They're like, good job on finding nothing though. I mean, you are like a child. It's messed up. Oh, and I just twisted its neck too, but it didn't even make like a crack. Like somehow that feels worse. Oh damn! Hold on. What the fuck was? I just started like jumping up the side of the building like Spider-Man. I was like, ooh. Oh, okay. It's a little slippery. They just waxed this building actually. Well, okay. Well, cool. And here's the cannon. I don't know how practical this thing is. SBC cannon is a special weapon designed to fire very heavy rounds at high speed, providing an excellent penetration. Loaded with deep piercing uranium-filled cannonballs, it can be drilled through several tough opponents in a row. Damn. So they're like advanced cannonballs. I was thinking just like cannonballs, like pirate cannon. Now these are like adamantium, like from fucking Marvel, and then uranium just mixed in my head, and it just made me brain fart. It's like those. Oh shit! Oh shit! I got a fucking laser? Awesome. And it breaks shits? What the fuck? Unless these are just breakable. Oh, yeah, those are just breakable. That's so cool. I'm wasting all my ammo, but that's so cool. A lot of ammo down here. A lot of ammo down here. Did I blow myself up? I didn't even like know. Can I preset these C4s? Like if I throw them, yes. Okay, cool. Come on, bad boys. Come get some. Yeet. Yeetus the fetus, as they say. It's annoying in the bottom right. That's why I have to press triangle, but it's like a notification saying, "Hey, you learned something," and that's why you press triangle, and it's like, boom, oh, you did learn something. It's my laser gun.
Come get Sam.
Oh, I thought they were coming from behind me now, so I just completely turned my back to them. That's the worst thing you could ever do. Oh, hi. You want to join this fight too? Get in line. He's like stuck. Do not play with rocket launcher, guys. Do not play with rocket launchers. You will die. Come get Sam. I'm feeling Sammy. They got stuck again. It's kind of a weird, satisfying sound. Oh shit, there's more. There's so much more. There we go. They're like horses. Let's see, does this do damage to you? He said no. Can I pick it back up? Does this do damage to you? Oh shit. I freed him. Stop playing with your toy, or your manga.
How do you like me now?
Oh. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Sweep and clear! Or is it breach and clear? I guess sweep and clear is, you know, sweep the area. Rumble. They sound like they're coming from behind! Oh, they aren't. Okay, they were just echoing. Oh god. What is shooting that? Oh, that thing. Holy shit! That's the size of the cannon that comes out of these cannonballs? Also, can it hurt me? I bounced it and I thought it couldn't hurt me. It bounced off me. I thought it was fine. Oh shit. Oh boy. Just like my dreams. Just, See, if you're smart, you wait for them to get close and then blow them up when they're next to these guys, so it does more damage. I like hiccup so boy. If you don't know if it's gonna kill them or not, shoot one extra just to be safe. Why spiders? I mean, I understand, but why? I'm sure some people are like dying at the spider parts in this game. Like they're like, I don't want to play this game anymore. My girlfriend wouldn't like to play this game with the spiders in it. She'd see it and instantly be like, please no. Hey babe, can you play this part with all the spiders in it? And I'm like, got bad news for you, that's the whole game. She would never play this game. Damn. Oh shit. I probably should have thought before I jumped, huh? I think I remember this. At least. Okay, ladies, I'll go on my merry way. Have a very pleasant day. Something spawned in them. Okay. We're going eagle hunting. I don't know why I said eagle, just bird hunting. Eagle's the first bird to come to my head because of fucking Assassin's Creed Odyssey. Oh, oh. Am I doing ammo? Could be doing better. Oh my, oh my. Just more. I don't know why they're giving me rockets. So I'm not going to use rockets on these things. That'd be a little difficult. Oh, what? Oh, what? Alright, now I see. War! Oh, it's not taking any damage yet. It's war time, guys. Damage time. Oh, no. Oh, I gotta shoot in certain spots. Okay.
Not enough room in this town for both of us.
Fuck, I was just getting tired. Now I gotta wake up. No, that's not doing shit. Or is it? I can't tell. Like, it looks like it's lowering a bit, but I really can't tell. Oh, what the hell? I don't trust you. I don't think I deserve to die, but you're the video game. Okay, so where's your weak points? I would assume maybe right there. War. Correct. That is what we're doing here. Maybe there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, okay. And I think what happened was I was shooting my rocket and one of these annoying buggers jumped on me. Oh, watch out for that laser. I was gonna say my health is not full, but it's actually over full, so it's way full. This stream, like, I'm gonna upload it, but I should just upload a cut of all the times I say, oh my, oh. It might sound like a porno then, actually, hold on. Wanted to see if I could just look at him for a minute. Holy shit! Holy shit! I was not expecting that right behind me. Fuck me. Okay.